People calling about you, man, saying you're exposing yourself, doing all kinds of weird stuff.
No, not exposing myself. I'm gay, I'm trans, but I was drinking a little bit yesterday, so I don't know.
No matter what you are, you can't be out here exposing yourself.
That's all. I got a shower.
Hi, so I don't know, I called 911 because there's literally a man beating his meat in my backyard pretty much.
I'm sorry, there's a what?
There's a man like literally like he has his penis out.
What's the address?
It's behind the Roscoe's Market on Sullivan and Terrace. He's literally behind the trash can, like I'm looking off my back porch at him. So he looks trans, like he has on a skirt and shit, and he has long, like, blonde, curly hair. He has on a green shirt, but, I mean, it's a man. He has on a long black skirt.
A long blonde curly wig, or is it his actual hair?
No, I think it's his actual hair. It's his actual hair. Oh, he's walking down the alley now. They're like, this is wild. This is crazy.
He's in the alley, you said?
Yeah, he's walking up and down the alley. He keeps going back and forth.
You gotta remember you're talking participant was 6 in 1985, but, you know.
193.
So,
193.
So,
I got the suspect behind Terrace. I'm sorry, behind Roscoe's.
Okay.
Back up. Back up. Come here, dude. Come here. What?
I'm just peeing.
So, you were masturbating.
What was it?
You were. Yeah. What's your name? What is it?
My birthday was yesterday.
What's your real name?
Sir, stop.
No, that's not your real name.
Okay, Darren, look, I got my
Give
number.
me your ID.
I don't
want that.
I'm from Cleveland.
I'm not touching you.
Sir.
What's your name? Your government name.
Darren, sir, please don't do this.
Darren, D.A.
Sir, yes.
D.A. what?
R-R-E-N.
Last name?
I'm in the shower.
Last name?
Look, I just my lip.
Last name?
Henry.
Darren Henry, what's your date of birth?
5/25,
1/5/25?
5/25/97.
You're from Cleveland. What are you doing down here?
I was at a sober house and I left a couple of days ago, and I'm just trying to get to my friend's house. She didn't remember the call.
No, you're not. You're walking the street
Sir,
trying
look.
to do dates.
I'm not honest to God.
Look, sit in front of my car, please, on my bumper, or I'll put you in the back of my car.
God, sir. If I stop,
I told you to sit in front of my car.
if I stop completely, I'll go home.
Nope. Stay right there. Take her for what? Take her for what?
I'm sorry, bud. Don't load up crazy. My birthday was yesterday. I just got my friend's number up.
You're doing what yesterday?
Nothing. My birthday was yesterday. I was like doing this and stuff.
Okay. People calling about you, man, saying you're exposing yourself, doing all kinds of weird stuff.
No, not exposing myself. I'm gay, I'm trans, but I was drinking a little bit yesterday. So I don't know.
No matter what you are, you can't be out here exposing yourself.
Yes, sir. I got a shower in here. Look at nice.
Okay. Well, whatever you got to do, you can't be out here doing that. You got to be in control of yourself.
Yes.
People are going to call about that stuff. Then you're going to draw our attention. That's going to get.
I just had a little bit. My hands are all messed up.
No warrants today?
No, I don't think I should. I had probation in Cleveland, and it was like I myself on probation because I was, drinking and smoking weed, and I just got home from the treatment center. Left yesterday, and yeah. So if it's anything else, it's probably it's a misdemeanor. So.
Thanks for the cars. This car's been RTO.
It's a shower. I'm sorry, Ryan. Look, stitches.
How long you been in town for?
About 3 months.
From Cleveland?
Yeah.
Been arrested in town yet or not?
Oh, no, sir. I'm sorry. I don't mean intoxicated. I don't like fight. I don't steal.
You got family out here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Where do you stay at?
Over by, I was at the shelter over by 6th and Grant. Then over by Family Dollar and Champion. A couple cousins.
50 or 44? 50 or 44?
For what? Oh, I don't know.
What's that?
On that 101.9 there's the AV.
Oh, it's just top golf.
It was a 44. 44 B. Sorry, I thought you heard the initial one go off. We didn't find him initially.
I heard he had somebody, and I heard you en route, and I'm like, oh, shit, I'm right here.
Yeah. See, I saw you up on Broad, and by the time I came down Terrace, you must have come down, whatever you did. Ran into traffic over here.
Take a break, sir. And just... No, I'm a good person.
Yeah, a neighbor called on him and said he was
I don't rob
exposing himself out here. The first pass we came through was all code 4. This alley was code 4, so he re-emerged from whatever hole he found.
I'm a dance teacher. I'm contemporary hip hop and ballet, and a drill coach and a high step coach, and a professional singer.
Cool. What's your choreographer?
Yes.
You have to show us some moves sometime.
I can do it right now. I rap and sing. Want to?
What kind of song you got?
Chris Brown. I want you, babe. If we could, then we should just come together, babe. We should.
Is it did you write that one?
No, it's Chris Brown cover. I've been on talent shows, like a Rising Star talent show on Channel 3, and then I did some practices to help my dance team win the World Dance Championship USA in Chicago.
Cool.
We met DJ Khaled. Then my mom died and I grew up. You don't mind getting me a pop, Gene?
A pop? I don't have a pop. Did you try Roscoe's?
Yes.
Oh, of course.
Huh?
You're in another dead spot. There's 24 of them over here. I figured out all of Oakley's dead. Sullivan to Broad, disconnected.
Yeah, mine's been doing that. Is that new?
I feel like it's getting worse. Like it used to have spots, but then
Yeah.
they're supposed to be addressing whatever towers or amplifying signals somewhere, but they're moving slow. It's Verizon.
Switch off of the 3G or whatever, 4G.
Did I get your autograph for that, okay?
The 5 would be great. Maybe that would help us. But
Okay.
I figured it's so densely populated over here. I don't know if it's just overloading whatever network they have set up, but they need to answer.
Pulled in a van yesterday and gave me these clothes.
Why don't you check out
The Hope Center?
no, the Van Buren shelter down there?
I can't go. I've been trying to go since 2 weeks ago. Did I have a better friend?
So what are you doing? Leave sleeping on the street?
No, my brother lives down there. So I came to the store trying to get, a couple dollars to get like a pop, some chips and candy for my nephews, but,
You got something in your mouth?
No, it's real. I bit.
You got what?
I bit it when he scared me.
Somebody scraped you?
No, when he scared me, I put up, I bit it.
You bit your lip when he scared you?
Yeah.
He's a big, scary man.
He is. Also,
No, he was very stern.
Look at him.
Like
scared
my
him and he
dad.
bit his lip.
Very stern with my dad.
Oh. All right, you got a warrant. We're going to check it out. All right, partner?
Sir, wait, a lighter. Sir, it's from Cleveland.
All right, just relax.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
Just relax.
Thank you, buddy.
If it's from Cleveland, we'll check it out. If it's no good, you'll be on your way. If it's
4 total
good.
warrants. Three are non-extraditable. One, they said they will, which I find interesting because it's Cuyahoga County as well.
It's a misdemeanor, isn't it?
No, it's a felony.
Well, they might extradite for you then.
Which I can't believe they're going to do that. It's dangerous drugs, but
Huh.
Well, we'll do what we can do here, all right? Just got to give it time.
It's like, are you sure? He's like, well, yeah.
Surprising, man. Cuyahoga's a lot like Franklin.
Back with. Spread your legs.
Yes, sir.
You for a woman that frisked you or? Check you.
Okay,
Huh?
go ahead.
I'm just gonna check you for weapons, all right? You don't have anything on you?
No, I promise to God.
Nothing tucked away anywhere? Nothing down your pants? Nothing? Okay.
Oh, this whole thing.
All right. Listen. We got to do our job. So we're going to see this through. All right, one way or the other. We'll go opposite side of this.
Yeah, so.
I
think those seatbelts work now. Meaning they were ones that you.
Why?
I don't know. That's what we're gonna find out. You may be out of these handcuffs in about 10 minutes, okay? Hop in.
God bless you, Jesus Christ.
Just relax.
For the kids that I teach.
I'll put the window down, get some air, okay?
Are you okay with me?
All right, sit tight, bro. Okay? We're going to crack the window, get you some air, all right? Yeah, try to lean forward. It'll take some of the pressure off. It's not too tight. You'll be all right.
There is no ticket to give you.
Yeah, there's no charge here today. We're talking about warrants maybe from up in Cleveland that potentially are good, right? So it sounded like you had a few misdemeanors that they don't want to pick you up on, but there may be a felony that they want you on. Yeah, I mean, you would know better than we do. All we can do is verify these things. All right, well, like you said, this may be no good. It might be good. We don't know yet, so there's no sense getting ahead of ourselves. So we're going to check it, and then we'll determine what comes next.
I'll try to run it when it turns green real quick.
You want me to try it? I mean, if you already got a hold of them on.
Is yours running?
I mean, it was, but I don't know since I'm sitting 15 feet from you.
Level code 350A, 190, myself, we'll head it back to 19 sub, work on paper real quick. My thanks to K911.
God bless you, sir.
No, your warrant's good. You're going to jail.
Please. Sir, please, I can't.
Let's go back 19. Maybe I can pull them up somewhere there. And
I can't avoid where. Please don't listen to me. Sir, but you don't understand. I hear voices, man. Bruh. Sir.
Cleveland's gonna come pick you up. You're not gonna stay down here. You're gonna go to Cleveland.
I don't want to. I can't. 153. Sir, please listen to me.
What?
Please listen to me.
What?
Give me a chance to speak to you.
I'm listening.
Why I just went to jail like 3 months ago.
Okay.
And they let me out because I had probation. I went to 2 treatment centers, the hospital, and then they let me out, but I can't. I don't have nowhere to live. I don't have no social security, no income. Please take me to the shelter. Sir, please.
It's not my choice. It's Cuyahoga County. It's Cleveland area. You have a warrant for your arrest there, not here.
But I can't go there. It's terrible jail.